Hi, this is Muralidhar Reddy, Spandana Institute of Commerce, Dishna, Hyderabad. Now our present topic is chapter is the bills of exchange. In that, at the example fifth based on example fifth, I am explaining when bill was amount was paid by the drawee with a drawer with the rebate. Rebate means when Mr. Drawee will pay the amount of bill before its due date to the drawer. In that case, for the early payment period, some concession, if allowing by the drawer to drawee, that concession amount called as a rebate. Rebate means concession given by the drawer to the drawee for the payment of early payment, for the early payment of the bill amount before the due date. That is called as a rebate. Now, a bill amount was paid with rebate before the due date by Mr. Dravi. Example: on January 1st, Mr. B, rupees 10,000 amount owing to A. Actually, Mr. B may be taken some of the loan from A. That's why Mr. B equivalent of that much he was owing to Mr. A. Or Mr. B maybe purchased some of the goods, rupees 10,000 worth of the goods he was purchased from A before the January 1st. That's why he was owing. He was that equivalent of 10,000 amount payable, Mr. B payable to A. For that settlement, he was accepting one of the documental evidence for the 3 months period. For settlement of this debt means loan amount, payable amount. And Mr. B accepted one bill for 3 months on the name of A. On March 1st. On March 1st. Up to the year, one sentence. So here onwards, new sentence. On March 1st, Mr. B was paid. Actually, bill accepted on January 1st for 3 months. Due date of the bill become as April 4th. By the adding after consider the grace days, it will become as a April 4th as a due date from January 1st. January 1st to February 1st 1 month, February to March 1st 2nd month, March 1st to April month 3rd month. So April 1st plus 3 extra grace days become as April 4th is the due date. But on March 4th, Mr. B was paying amount of the bill to the A. Means 1 month early, 1 month early, 1 month early, Mr. B was paying amount of the bill to A. That's why he was given 10% discount, 10% rebate. Rebate means concession to the A. How much period he was paying early? For that period, Mr. B, A allowing 10% commission to A means for the 1 month early he was paying actual due date is April 4th, but he was paying March 1st. So that's why there are 1 month early period is there. That's why for the early period amount we are required to calculate rebate. Show the journal entries in the books of both parties. Show the ledger accounts A and B. Means ledger account of A prepared by B in his books. Ledger account of B is prepared by the A in his books. Mr. A can be prepared B account in his books. Mr. B can be prepared A account in the books of B. Next one, intrana. Rebate means it is a concession on bill amount for early payment. Right? Actual due date is the April 4th, but he was paying on March 1st means 1 month early he was paying. That's why I am calculated rebate by the taking bill amount 10,000. Rebate what rate they are agreed to pay? 10%. 10% per annum. 10% per annum. So that's why 10 by 100. Early period 1 month early was paying. That's why I am taken 1 by 12. Amount will become as a 83.333. If it is round up to nearest value, become as 83. Actual cash paid by the B to A from the 10,000 bill, he was availing to 80 rupees concession. Remaining amount he was paying 9,933. 9,917 rupees. Next, bill paid with rebate means nothing but bill honored on its due date before the due date. When bill is honoring by B drawee to the drawer before its due date, that is rebate. Right. Here journal entries in the books of A. Actually, here what they are given, they are not given any purchase or sale sentence. Owing word is there. Owing the word means Already in the earlier days, they are already purchased and the sales transaction done by the both parties and also recorded entries in their books. Nana. That's why I don't pass any journal entries for the past or what purchase and sales for the at the time of this one. Nana. Right. For that owing amount, now we are paying what I call one we are receiving. Now we are A receiving one of the bill from A on the January 1st. When bill was coming in on debit the bills receivable account given by B. Being 3 months bill was received through acceptance from B 10,000. Next actual due date is April 4th, but before the April 4th on March 1st Mr. B was honoring this bill Anna by the paying some of the cash after the some rebate Anna. Now cash will come, debit the bank or cash account 9,917 will come. So rebate we are allowing some of the concession to V means A means drawer was allowing some of the concession to B. That's why it is incurred as a expenditure to the A Nanna. Considerable as a expenditure lost to the A Nanna. That's why he was debited bills rebate on bills discount account Nanna. Debit the bank account, how much cash will come. Debit the rebate account, how much loss incurring. Credit the bill receivable account 10,000. Being bill receivable was honored with the 10% rebate before before the due date on March 31st. Before due date Nanna on March 31st. Right? It is the narration. So by the passing these two entries, ledgers are entries are complete in the books of A. Similar in the books of B, Nana. Generators in the books of B. B means Ravi. Now he was accepting one of the bill to A, Nana. That's why A is the receiver. That's why he was debited. Bills payable is liability. It was going out, Nana. Document was going out, Nana. Becoming as a liability, Nana. When liabilities are increased, show as a credit, Nana. A account add to bills payable 10,000. Being for 3 months bill was accepted for A for settlement of his debt, Nana. Next one more is there on first Nana. Now before this due date Nana, before the bill due date Nana, he was paying cash with rebate. Debit the bills payable account, credit the rebate on discount account. Why? Because it is the income. Credit the bank account. Cash was going out. Debit the bills payable. Credit the bill rebate on discount. Next debit credit the bank account Nana. Right? Being bill payable was paid in cash after 10% rebate discount. This is the general entries in the books of A and B when bill is honored with rebate before the due date. Okay.